Hey everybody, today I'm going to be opening up a package from the Crooked Tavern. I just have the package flipped over so that our addresses aren't showing. I bought this on Etsy about a week and a half ago. Shipping was pretty fast. Granted it was from Michigan to South Dakota, so not too far, but it was right before Christmas. I was really worried I wasn't gonna get this before Christmas because it is a Christmas present for my mom. Shout out to the owner of that shop for getting this out in time for Christmas. So let's just open it up. So there's these two bags that have stars and moons on them. These are so cute. Just a little, I believe this is like an Instagram. Yes, just like Instagram and some more information. When I found, so the reason I purchased specifically from the Crooked Tavern is because they had the most affordable dice, because I wanted to get a few sets but I didn't want to break the bank, and they only charge about $15 per set, which seemed very good for what you were getting. They even have a few cheaper sets, but I thought because it's the holidays, maybe they have some sort of code or something out. So I searched up their Instagram and they end up having a 10% off code. So that was super cool. So I got 10% off anyways. And then here's this little card. See if it'll focus. It says, "Thank you for supporting our small business. Please take 10% off your next order with the code." This is the same code that they have on their Instagram. But let's get into the actual dice. So I'm gonna be completely and totally honest. I don't know anything about the dice. My goal was to purchase these for Dungeons and Dragons. I don't know if they can also be used with Magic the Gathering, but my mom does both, so these should work out somewhere. But I am so obsessed with these. They're so cute. All the dice just have, so they kind of have this glittery, sandy stuff at the bottom, and then the tops are kind of see-through blue with seashells in them. So you got that transparent blue, seashells, and the sand in there. And I'm just gonna show you all of the dice. And here's our second set. It's just little skull beads and moss. So overall, as far as gameplay with the dice goes, I have no idea. In the description, after Christmas, after my mom has used these, I can put something in the description of like if they play well, I don't know. Like if they roll the way they're supposed to or something, I don't know. I'm sure they'll be just fine. But I can leave an update about that in the description once they get used. But overall, highly recommend, 10 out of 10. They were shipped out quick enough so that they would be here for Christmas. There is literally, like, narrowing it down to just 2 sets was nearly impossible because there were so many amazing sets. But overall, yeah, really great quality, amazing prices, amazing sets. Highly 10 out of 10 recommend. Could not recommend more. From now on, I think this is gonna be the only shop that I buy sets of dice from. But I think that's about it. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments down below. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.